Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete just one picture from a multi-photo post on Instagram. Whether you wanted to remove a specific image without deleting the whole post, I have got you covered. So let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, find the post with multiple pictures that you wanted to edit. Once you find it, tap on it. And now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner to open the post options. From the options, tap on Edit. Now, swipe through the photos to find the one you wanted to delete. Once you have selected the picture, tap the small trash bin icon at the top left corner to remove it from the post. Tap Delete to confirm it. Once you have deleted the image, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's how you delete one picture from a multi-photo post on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.